Hello, my name is Glenn Williamson. Thank you for considering my company for your wallpaper project. I know it's a big deal choosing a decorator to come inside your home. Our paper hangers are the biggest part of our reputation, and that's why we focus on them. We utilize specially trained crews to keep the quality we want to deliver, but still be competitive with price. The same crew that is trained on a commercial vinyl application will not be assigned to a custom digital print in a residential bathroom. Speaking of consistency, we do not have salesmen. The project consultant coming out to give you a quote will be the same person in charge of your project all the way through the final walk. This puts a stop to miscommunication. If you're looking to remove wall covering, each wall covering falls most efficiently with a certain procedure. Some are best removed with diff, some with hot water, some with Dawn soap, and some with our industrial steamer. If you hire the wrong company, they can seriously damage your walls, resulting in a lot of needed repair. Wall coverings are on their way back, and we're ahead of the curve.